reversible reaction, number one. It's also a very good example to show you dynamic equilibrium that we've covered already. And it's a good example to show you, third and most importantly, a good example to show you how changing concentrations of reactants and products can move the position of the equilibria either to the left or to the right. Right, so let's start off. We have copper chloride. Copper chloride. We're running a little bit low on it, so I'll be very sparse. Just adding in a small amount of my copper chlorides. It will react with ammonia. Ammonia, I have got some here. It has been, it's ammonia solution, ammonia gas. It will be a little bit hard to pour in this situation. This is 2 molar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some of my ammonia. I want you to pay attention to the colour. So at this moment in time, we've still got quite a lot of my reactants. Products have been made. I'm going to keep on adding in my ammonia solution. Pay close attention to the colour. Wonderful. And that beautiful colour, let's give it a little bit more. That beautiful dark navy colour is the product, one of the products that we have made, which is tetraamine copper. You can see the symbols there for it. You can see where the amine refers to the NH3 group that's in here. That came from our ammonia. The copper came from our copper chlorides. And look, you can see the chloride ions there, they're over here. So our equation is balanced. So I was able to push the position of the equilibria over to the right because I put tons and tons and tons of this in. It was reacting together. The position of the equilibria shifted to oppose the change that I was making, and it shifted it to the right. So now I'm left with this. I can now shift, believe it or not, you'll see, the position of the equilibria back over to the left. I can do that by increasing the concentration of my product. So I will take some of my product. This is, I'm getting my chloride ions from hydrochloric acid, but as I said, that is already in there. That's already in the solution, you just can't see it. So I'm going to pour some in. You can probably notice the change occurring. Okay, and we're pretty much back to where we started with. So I kept on adding in my chloride ions. This was already in there in abundance, so there's tons of it. And by adding in my chloride ions, I was able to push the position of the equilibria over to the left, and therefore I was left with much more of my reactants at the beginning. I could do this until the cows come home. I think that's enough for today.